The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Metro by T-Mobile. So Metro has a great deal going on right now, guys. So if you guys switch to Metro PCS, y'all guys can get a free iPhone 6s when you guys switch to Metro. So this is pretty cool. So if you guys want to get a free iPhone 6s, you switch your number over to Metro PCS. It has to be from a non-T-Mobile carrier like AT&T, Sprint, or Verizon. It says here, amazing iPhone iTreat on us when you switch. Sales tax and activation fee, you do have to pay for that. It says plus you can get unlimited high-speed data with a new 4 lines for $100 offer, so that's pretty cool there. So if you guys want to get a new iPhone 6s, switch over to Metro PCS and get a free iPhone 6s when you put your number over to Metro PCS. So that is a pretty cool deal there. I'm not sure how long this deal is going on for, so if you guys are interested in this deal, get it while you can. The iPhone 6s is still a great phone in 2018. It's still getting updates and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a new phone, check out Metro's iPhone 6s free deal when you guys switch over to Metro. So check it out, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.